yesterday where we're not getting enough selling, but really not getting the buying. I mean, I know we're gapping up today in the Qs and in Apple, but I don't believe it. And we're falling now here into the close. So I don't know. And the SPY was down before. Now it's up. I mean, I'm pretty much looking at this gap here as flat. So I think it's anybody's guess here where we go today. But I still think we're lower into tomorrow. Unfortunately, that's the last day of the week. Anyways, we're going to take a shot at Lulu. If it sets up, we're going to do it. We're going to do it, and we're going to get that quick. One, because I have a million things to do today before I leave for Pennsylvania for the Easter holiday. And two, because, again, market's very volatile. So what we don't want to do is be in something, be in it, and then have something happen with the market and then mess up our trade. We had a great exit, actually, in Apple yesterday. In fact, every once in a while, we will get a trade where we get out almost at the low of the day. And I think that was pretty much the case yesterday. We couldn't have gotten a better exit in that, quite frankly. I didn't even look at them because I kind of put them off my radar. We just got a nice little bar here in Lulu. But remember, I didn't think we'd be trading Monday than we did. And then we had a good trade yesterday. So we had a good trade Monday, good trade Tuesday. If Lulu doesn't set up, we're not doing it. If it does, we're doing it. So it's kind of like, you know, let's just play it by ear. We've been good this week. I've been focused this week. We'll just see what happens here. Hold the conviction. We're not getting going really to the downside, but we're not getting going to the upside. We're in a strange market. I mean, it's just so strange to be able to look at trades and have them be up in 1 hour of the day and down the next hour of the day. I mean, it's just so strange. But then when you look at the body of the bar of the market, the range is so small. The range is so tight. The last 2 days we've closed with a tiny little doji. I mean, no wonder. So it's been weird. I'll say that for sure. But I will say this quickly before the open. The inability of the market to continue higher is a sign of bearishness, not bullishness. So that's the way the cookie crumbles. Just waiting for the sell-off. Maybe it'll happen today. I have to go out in the city and get some things done this afternoon. Maybe it'll just happen when I leave the apartment. Maybe me leaving will be good luck. Okay. Now this is extremely spready. Let's kind of wait a little bit for this to situate itself. $1.50. And this is really all I had to watch today. So that Lulu does not set up right today. I mean, I almost want to short Apple again, to be honest with you. But it gapped up. I know it's going to fall again. It's just, again, it's tippy-toe. I said bumpy, but the other word is tippy-toe. We're just tippy-toeing down. Which is strange, because usually selling comes in like that. Like that. Like when you break a glass and you throw it on the, you drop it on the floor and it just splats. We're tippy-toeing. Tippy-toe. Oh, okay. Wow, this almost looks like the open here. All right, Lulu. Lulu hit and I wasn't paying attention. Crap. I wanted to wait for this to tighten up. It's not going to tighten up. This is a spread. Jeez, it is very wide. Gosh darn it. I didn't do this. I was looking away and it hit, but this would have been a monster stop. Would have been like $5. Let's just, here. Wow, I hope this isn't it. I didn't do it and the spread is getting bigger instead of smaller. Crap. Nope, I'm not in Lulu and it's going. I looked away for a second, it hit. I'm not sure if I would have done it or not. It was a $5 stop. I wanted it to tighten up. I don't know. I didn't do it. It's going. Maybe I missed the trade. Wow, I didn't think this was going to hit so soon, and I wanted it to tighten up, but it never did, and it's not even now. So this is, I mean, we basically probably would have gotten a $3, $4 stop anyway, so maybe 5 wasn't that big. I didn't do this, and it's already going. Gosh darn it. Wow, you really got to pay attention. No, I'm not doing Nike. I'm not doing anything other than Lulu. I said that earlier today. There's nothing good today. And I think this market doesn't continue going higher, but I guess I'll find out by 4 o'clock. We may have missed the Lulu. It's going. All right, now it's starting to tighten up a little bit here. 70 cents. Let's see. So hard to do something when it is so wide like that. It's expensive though. That's why. No, I'm going to pass on this. If you want to do it, stop's 310. You could put the stop at 310 at $6. I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass. I think I missed the entry. I think I missed the only entry, but it would have been $5. You could do it here and put the stop at 310 at $6. I don't think I'm going to get it. I'll sit here and watch it for another 10 minutes, but I don't think I'm doing it. I think I missed it. And I don't really, I can't even say if I would have done it. $5. It went $5. You can do it here if you want, but the stop's 310. I think I missed the trade. Wow. But we're for sure going to fall. So I moved off and looked at the market and Apple quickly, waiting for Lulu to tighten up, and I missed it. So it hit. But if you feel so inclined, you can do this here, and I think you're okay putting a stop at 310. But it's, you know, $6 plus now. I thought it was too spready. I thought it would tighten up. It's really not, though. It's been a long time since we've traded this. In fact, I got to be honest with you. I don't even remember if I have traded this since the price point has gotten to this level. I don't even remember if I have. This stock has just exploded. And while we've traded this a million times, a trillion times, I'm not sure if I've ever traded this at this point, at this level. And I guess I just didn't have the right amount in my mind that I needed to risk on this or something. I don't know. Hurry and run my errands so the market will fall. So, well, we're not gonna follow through with the rally because there's no reason for us to rally. That's my 2 cents. Biden comes out. I think he's making an announcement today about the infrastructure plan, which will raise taxes across the board to everyone, taxing people that drive, taxing people that this thing, that thing, whatever. So, you know, we're not gonna make new highs. I know it. At least not this week, and I really don't think we're gonna make new highs next week either, to be honest with you. But I question here the timing now if we're gonna drop this week, because I'm in trades that expire tomorrow, so we'll see. But right now we're green. Lulu. Crap. Let's do Lulu right here. Right here. 304.30, stop 308. It's either do it now or do not do it at all, and we're basically scalping this. There's nothing else we can do, and this stop is kind of tight, but I don't want to size it for any more than $4. I don't want to. And it just did a topping tail, and it should just come down and break the low, and we're going to kind of scalp it through the low and flushing them out. You can do it here if you want. Stops 308. Lulu. In fact, let me check on the low. It's 302.80, and we can't look at anything else right now because this is acting really, really jumpy. Do it if you want it right here. Stops 308. We're not going to get anything better than this. Here. One push through the low, and we're out. Whatever it is. I don't think we're going to make 1R on this, but here. Lulu, hand of the button. Lulu. This is it. Just look at it as money today, as a trade. There's just no way to do this that made any sense. I'm sorry. Boy, it is jumpy, isn't it? 301.81. Wow, this is so spready. I could have just got out right there. I didn't. Look how spready it is. You look at it, and then it's a completely different number, like by $1. Jeeks. No, I didn't get out of it there. We can't give it any more room. It should just keep going for sure. So we'll see what happens here. We gapped up completely today. I don't believe it, but the fact is we're upside down here now. So I don't know. Boy, I can't wait till our earnings season starts. I will say that. I will say that one thing. Even Netflix I looked at this morning looked really so much. Netflix, Amazon, everything I looked at this morning looked lower. Like I wouldn't have gone long any of those gap ups. Here we go. One more push down in Lulu, and then we got to be out of it. In fact, we're just going to have to just take it out, which is not the way I normally play things. I usually watch the trading action, but because it's so jumpy and so spready, it's almost like if you don't just press out of it, you lose like $1. It's crazy. And I'll be happy with anything in this today, but I really didn't expect a $5, $6 stop this morning, or I might have done that. I thought the spread would tighten up. Now it's 36 cents, but here it is again. Now it's 80 cents, so it's kind of weird. Now it's $1. Look at that. Strange. Here we go. This is it. One more push, and we have to be out of this thing. So it bounced 302.48, 301.78. Again, 300 looks realistic today. Not that I want to stay in until then. Now that I see how it's moving and jumping and jumping and jumping like a jumping bean. Kind of like the market. Here we go. One more push and we are out of this Lulu, and we're calling it a week. And then we'll see what happens with the options. We can look at each one individually. Crap, come on. 302.91. We are just lower, but we're not right now. I don't know. Okay, this is it. This is it here. Here we go. I'm really going to get out of this soon. Even though it looks fabulous, it's just too jumpy for me to deal with it. And spreading, I should say, too. See if we can get one nice fat red bar and get out of it in that, if we're lucky. for lucky. Kish got out of it. He couldn't take it anymore. My hand is on the button. I'm just gonna break. Here. Here! Come on, come on, come on! Ow! Ow! I don't care anymore. It probably goes to 300. It probably goes to 299 to 298. It probably goes. And again, it looks great. I'm just so sick and tired of the jumpiness of it. Here, it's still going. Here, Lulu. It's almost at 301. Is anyone still in it? It's so jumpy, though, you almost can't bar by bar it. Plus the spread. So it's almost like you can't even really put a stop over the previous bar's high, because it would be like $1.50 away with the spread. It's just so stupid. It's just the spreadiest thing I've ever seen. I don't know. When was the last time we traded this? Let me look. It was a good week. I seriously don't think I've traded this for more than a year. I think the last time I traded this was 2020, early 2020. Look at this now. Look at it. Eeks. Is anyone still in this?